Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden from HHWCUSTOMS.com, and today I'm going to be showing you the engine, interior, and base that I have available for the 64 Nova Wagon from Hot Wheels. This is a recent casting here that I actually just stripped the paint. This is the casting that it was before it was stripped. This is just the jerry rig, and basically my kit is designed to make it more of a gasser with more details, raise the front a little bit, and be able to fit some bigger wheels and stuff like that in there. So to get my kit to fit, you will need to do two adjustments. You will need to get rid of the brake booster, and that is just sanding it down pretty much just like this will fit fine. And then you will need to trim the windows. There is a little notch right about there, and you can see a little indication of it. It just sticks down a little bit, so just get some clippers and just make sure it's all flat, and that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do, and everything else will fit right in. So for the engine options, we have version 1, which is a nice LS with a Holley intake. This is taken from the 55 Gasser I had done, and I pretty much just slapped it on here, made it a little bit bigger to fit, but this is what it looks like there. You can see a little bit more of the detail in the front, and as well as the other ones, all the grills are all see-through, so I think that's really cool. Little touch. This is the straight 6 that comes in the car originally, and it has a lot of detail here. You can see even the distributor with all the spark plug wires, and there's just a lot of detail in this engine. I really like the way it looks. And for the final version, it is a 429 with the vertical headers as well as the velocity stacks. And if I didn't mention it before, all of these come with a moon tank in front, just for a little added detail and something to paint, make your car look a little nicer. Moving on to the interior, this is what it looks like when you get it. This is a very large roll cage that is going to fit the back, as well as the nice harness. So you can see it's actually mounted way back here. I think it's a nice touch, something else to add paint to. Of course, we have two ginormous NOS cans on the side, some gauges on the dash, and then just a nice little halo style seat and stuff like that. Lastly, we have the base, which this is what it looks like. We have nice leaf springs in the front, rear suspension there with the rear differential and the drive shaft, as well as the transmission. And of course, easy labeling right there. So if you guys buy other stuff from me, you don't want to get it confused, I have everything marked. So if we move on to assembly here, we can go ahead and get the windows. Throw those in just like that, and we'll choose an engine. Yeah, I'll just use this one, that's fine. You go ahead and pop that upside down, and you can see that these little indicators in the back, or these little things that stick out, they are meant to hold right onto the firewall, just like that. So you can't go higher, you can't go lower, it'll fit just like that right in. So go ahead after that, and we will get the interior. We're going to throw that upside down, and just give it a little pressure so it gets nice and snug. And finally, the base. And then, boom, you have your car assembled just like that. And now you can actually go ahead and throw some screws in there, which I will do right now. And there you are. Once you have all the screws all in, everything is nice and tight and won't wiggle around too much. You can see there is some nice, breathing room in there. So if you did eventually want to slam this and cut this all up, you could. I don't have a lowering base for this yet, but eventually I will. But there you go. You can see the nice roll cage all the way through, all the little details in there if the light shines appropriately. But there you go. This is what it looks like. Very cool. I like that you can see all the suspension from the side. It's really nice. I'm going to throw some wheels on here, and we can see what it looks like. All right, guys. When I put the wheels on, this is what it looks like right here. I think the fitment is really, really nice. You can see it rolls nice and easy here. Here's some shots of it actually rolling right now. I think it's pretty cool. And I don't know if I failed to mention it or not, but these engines are all interchangeable. They are going to fit all the same way. The one with the headers going straight up is a little tricky to get in. You have to kind of go at one angle and then kind of like push up the other side. A little weird, but it looks nice when it's all put together. But if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, please check out my website. It is HHWCUSTOMS.com. I have lots of wheels, decals, and 3D part stuff on there. A lot of different kits, a lot of different engines, a lot of different everything, honestly. I'm trying to come out with something new every single week. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to get to it. Currently, I'm working on a lot of different things that I think you guys will all like. And as they come out, I will be sure to make a YouTube video explaining how to assemble it, more detail, and everything like that. So yeah, if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments below. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.